fighting my own hair all the time. What? Okay, again. Okay, so twist like this, something like this. Who's this? What kind of witchcraft is this? Hey guys, so I've been seeing these type of videos trending on YouTube. I saw a couple of videos like these and I was like, oh my god, that's actually pretty awesome. That's so fun to do. I actually never follow someone else's tutorials, only for inspiration. Really to follow everything down to the T? No, I don't know. I actually never did that. Today I want to do this video too, and I actually am going to put my own twist on it. I'm going to do a NAPTURAL85 hair tutorial. NAPTURAL85 is the YouTuber that inspired me to go natural like years ago. Anyway, I'm going to sort by most popular and I'm going to recreate this video, like how to cheat a flexi rod set. And guys, to be honest, I actually never ever in my life did a flexi rod set. Like, this is going to be my first time trying out the flexi rod set. I like to sleep, and if a hairstyle is preventing me to sleep, then I don't know if I'm ever going to try that. So let's begin the video. Yes. You see beautiful curls, like absolutely beautiful.
Much like my perm rod sets, I get my best results if I'm starting out with dry, stretched hair.
I already shampooed, deep conditioned, and blow dried my hair. Okay, now I fit in the frame. This is my hair blow dried. Yeah, I know you don't have to say anything. I know what you're gonna say. That's a lot of hair. I know. Okay. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. I wouldn't take my clothes. Okay, blow drying my hair, like all this hair, takes me about 25 minutes because I have a really good blow dryer. You guys, the arm workout, when I say the workout was real, the workout was real.
So I'm giving myself a side part, and I'm adding a bit more dimension to my hair using temporary hair chalk. Now, I learned from my first impression of this particular hair chalk that the second day color is the best. So?
Okay, so she's talking about the hair chalk, and when I saw this video, I was like, okay, I need to get hair chalk because I want to follow everything she did. So I went to the beauty supply store and I was looking at the range of hair chalks that were available, and I was like, nah. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Neon green, neon pink, yellow, blue, purple. You know, I'm going to skip that step.
Now I split my hair into smaller sections to keep myself organized.
This is too much, man. Can't you see how much I'm struggling? I'm fighting my own hair all the time. Okay, get in this bun. What did she do? I cannot follow. Oh, she did 4 sections. Okay. Okay.
So you're gonna need your flexi rods, some gel, and a pomade. I'm using my DIY flax gel and shaper.
Flexi rod, gel, and a pomade. Okay, so first of all, I don't have flexi gel. So I'm just going to use my Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one. And as a pomade, I actually don't like to use shea butter on my hair because on my hair it kind of feels heavy. So I put a little bit of this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner before blow drying my hair. Now on to the technique. I never did a flexi rod set, so I really don't know what's up and what to do and how big my sections has to be.
I grab a medium-sized section. I'm gonna take some flax gel, which is like extremely thick today. Totally reminds me of Nickelodeon Gak, and work it into the section.
Wait.
Then begin rolling the hair.
Did she just take one section? Is this a large section? I don't know. But she twists her hair around the flexi rod a certain way. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of my Eco Styler gel in my hair, like shaded with her flaxseed gel. When I'm doing this hairstyle, when I'm sacrificing my sleep, I want this hairstyle to last. Okay, yeah. Oh, my hair is starting to curl up, so that's not a good sign. Anyways, let's act quick. Okay, so I want to see how she twists her hair around the flexi rod. Ooh, wait. So you'll probably see me doing this for like 10 times because I really don't know how to do this. What? I don't get it. Okay, I think I got it. And then she does like a twist motion. No, wait, I'm doing this wrong. What? Okay, again. Okay, so twist like this, something like this. Oh my god, I really don't know how to do this. Bruh, this is not working for me. Okay, now I see you. Now I see you. You do this. I'm going to do it all over again because now I want to do it right. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Wait. I forgot how to do it. What did I do again? I think I've done it. I think this is it. Practice makes perfect, you know, so I'm not going to lose hope. Yeah, I'm starting to get the hang of it. No, I don't. Excuse me, just stay in place, thank you. Believe me, it's me. Okay, it's not NAPTURAL85 because she's legit. It's me. I really don't know how to flexi rod. You know, wait, I need to focus. This is it. I know if you see like a natural hair YouTuber and she does like this bomb-ass hairstyle, and when you do it, you look like a drug dealer or something like that, or because believe me, the YouTuber probably also tried numerous times before she could achieve this bomb-ass hairstyle. Sorry for the noise. So believe me, don't give up. Practice makes perfect. This was actually not what I was doing, but anyways, let's just do it because I don't know. What? Why is this so strange all over again? Okay. Okay, so what I just found out is I'm going to start all over again because I am not feeling the way my sections are set up. I think my sections are way too big and they are acting frizzy and stuff, so I don't think this is going to work out. I will let you guys know how it went because I am not going to continue to let you see the failures. Okay, one section done. Who's this? Like, what just happened? Like, I think I know what to do now. I'm really like following the way she is doing her flexi rods, not just by rolling them, but really doing like this twist motion, and I think that's going to have like a pretty awesome effect. Woo, okay, last one. Y'all, these flexi rods. Ugh. So she's rolling and then twist the flexi rod around, roll, twist, roll, twist.
When all the rods are installed, I just let them air dry as I sleep. So make sure you have a satin pillowcase and head to bed.
That's like a challenge and I don't know if it's worth it. I hope this style better come out gorgeous in the morning, otherwise nah fam. Okay, so it is the next morning and I'm going to be completely honest, you guys. This was a nightmare to sleep in. Oh, I'm not even kidding you guys, it's not even funny. Like, I probably had the worst night ever in my life. I slept for about 4 hours in total because this is so uncomfortable. Like, seriously, the flexi rods were starting to hurt me because I think I rolled them a little bit too tight at some places, so I felt constant pulling on my hair during the night. So I had to like loosen this up a little bit, and you know, it was just a nightmare, you guys. I got the worst headache during the night. I really don't know how people do it. If you have any techniques on how to sleep with flexi rods, let me know in the comment section because I really would love to know. Anyway, okay, so now she just removes the rods. Okay, so she just removes the rods. Let's do this. Where to start? You know, this is probably the most fun part of like hairstyles. Time to remove the rods because Ain't nobody got time for this. Okay, let's see how it will turn out. Okay, before I unravel, to be honest, I don't think this is going to be like a defined flexi rod set because my roots are actually like starting to be a little bit frizzy. As you can see here, my roots, like, it's actually a little bit frizzy, maybe because my sections were too big. So I actually don't think like my flexi rod set is going to be as bomb as hers, but let's see. Oh. Oh, hello there. Whoa, wait a minute. This is pretty like... Is this for real? So springy? What? Wait a minute. Who's this? What kind of witchcraft is this? Like... Okay, let's do the rest. Yes. Guys, I'm starting to get really happy. The sleepless night paid off, like... Okay, so I have to be careful. Wow, where has this been all my life? Okay. Okay, so this is my hair. What? Okay, my hair turned out pretty nicely. Like, I thought that my hair would be very frizzy, but still. And now, actually, she is separating.
Separate the curls, and I'm making sure to feel where the curl naturally wants to part, so I'm not creating too much frizz.
Okay, so now she's just separating the curls. Okay, so let's start here in the back. My hair feels so freaking soft, and I really think it's because I started this hairstyle on blow dried hair like she said. So yes, hello. Wow, I love the results. Love the results. I still have a lot of definition and I didn't use that much gel, so imagine if I would have done this with my Cream of Nature flexible styling snot. Yo, that is something that I'm going to try next time. So I'm going to invest in a hooded dryer, and I'm going to do styles like this on a regular if I have my hooded dryer, because yo, I look cute. If you want to see more videos like these, I tried following a ... hair tutorial or makeup tutorial, let me know in the comment section and let me know which YouTubers I need to check out to get inspiration from, okay? And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Okay, girl. Bye.